Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make steak in the oven. First, select a steak at least 1½ inches thick for optimal tenderness and juiciness. Pat your steak completely dry with paper towels, then season it generously with salt and pepper. Heat an oven-safe skillet over high heat with a high smoke point oil. Sear each side of the steak for 2 to 3 minutes until a beautiful brown crust forms. This initial sear locks in flavor. After searing, immediately transfer your skillet with the steak into a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. This is where the magic happens, allowing the steak to cook evenly through. Insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the steak, avoiding the bone. Aim for an internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit for rare, 135 degrees for medium rare, or 145 degrees for medium doneness. This ensures your desired outcome. Once your steak reaches the desired internal temperature, remove it from the oven and transfer it to a cutting board. It is crucial to let the steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a more tender and flavorful experience. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked steak against the grain into desired portions. This technique breaks up the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. To elevate your steak further, consider adding a pat of butter and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme while it rests. The residual heat will melt the butter and infuse the herb's aroma. You can also create a quick pan sauce using the flavorful fond left in the skillet. This adds another layer of deliciousness to your meal. For more great tips and product recommendations, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your perfectly cooked steak.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.